What should I do after a rear-end collision? Have you ever wondered what steps to take after being involved in a rear-end collision? It can be a stressful experience, but knowing what to do can make a big difference. First and foremost, ensure your safety. If your vehicle is drivable, move it to a safe location away from traffic. This helps prevent further accidents and allows you to assess the situation calmly. Next, it is important to call the authorities. Reporting the accident to the police is essential. A police report documents the incident and helps determine who is at fault, which is vital for insurance claims. Once the authorities are on their way, document the accident scene. Use your phone to take clear photos of the vehicles involved, any visible injuries, and the surrounding area. Also, make sure to exchange contact and insurance information with the other driver. If there are witnesses, gather their contact details as well. This information can be very helpful later on. If you or anyone else is injured, seek medical attention immediately. Even if injuries seem minor, it is important to get checked out. Medical records will be important for any insurance claims you may file later. After ensuring everyone's safety and health, notify your insurance company about the accident as soon as possible. Most insurance providers requiring you to report an accident within a specific timeframe, so don't delay. Now, consider whether you need legal representation. If you are injured or feel overwhelmed by the insurance process, consulting with a personal injury attorney can be a wise choice. An attorney can help you navigate the complexities of your claim and ensure you receive fair compensation. When it comes to filing an insurance claim, decide whether to file with your own insurance or the other drivers. Provide detailed information about the accident, including photos and witness statements. Be prepared to sign medical authorizations and possibly provide a recorded statement to your insurance company. Finally, be ready to negotiate with the insurance company. Work with your insurance adjuster to assess damages and negotiate a settlement. If you have an attorney, they can assist you in this process to ensure you receive a fair offer. By following these steps after a rear-end collision, you can protect your rights and ensure that you are well prepared for any situation that may arise.